So if you want something for a paleo diet and something to substitute for traditional rice, cauliflower rice is the most popular food going around these days. And I want to show you how to make it super easy in your own home, okay? And it's rich in nutrients, and I'm going to add a little twist by adding some kale, adding a lot of good vitamins and fiber. So first we're going to take the chunks of cauliflower, we're going to place them into a KitchenAid. You can do this in a blender as well. You want to put all of this in here, and we're going to snap a lid on top. We're going to blend it until it turns into rice. Just takes about 10 to 15 seconds and we've got cauliflower rice. That easy. Now what we're going to do is we're going to stir fry this. It's super easy. You're going to add 3 tablespoons of olive oil to your heated pan. You're going to add a half a teaspoon of salt and a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. Mix those up a little bit. And now it's time to add your cauliflower rice. So that's just 1/2 of a cauliflower. We start mixing it. Blend it up, cooking, and here's our secret ingredient that adds a lot of color and nutrient is chopped kale. 5 sprigs of deveined and chopped kale. We're going to cook this until it's soft, and we're going to serve it. It's so delicious. So now we've cooked it until everything is cooked and softened. If you want, you can add about a tablespoon of butter, and that actually softens it a bit more and browns it. It's an option. We're going to dish this up on the plate now. So now we have the finished product of the kale and cauliflower rice. You saw how easy it was to make it. Just grind your cauliflower for about 10 seconds and then stir in chopped kale, stir fry it and serve it up. Even your kids are gonna like this. It tastes delicious. Yum.